Meet the next generation of Honda self-propelled HRX lawnmowers, including our HRX 217 VLA model. It's loaded with innovative Honda features, like a self-charging electric key start for effortless starting, and Honda Select Drive that lets you easily adjust the mower's speed to match your stride, so you, your mower, and your lawn are always in sync. All HRX models are now equipped with Honda's all-new easy-starting GCV 200 engine that packs 10% more power and torque for superior mowing and improved performance in thick grass. Our rugged, rust-proof, dent-proof neck-sight deck, backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Micro-cut twin blades with 4 cutting surfaces for outstanding cut quality, mulching, and bagging. The 4-in-1 Versimo system with clip director for quick and easy switches between bagging, mulching, discharge, and leaf shredding. And so much more. Choose the lawnmower that gives you the power, efficiency, innovation, and value you deserve. The Honda HRX 217 VLA lawnmower. More power for a more beautiful lawn.
When it comes to maintaining your lawn, the 13-amp 20-inch electric mower from CRAFTSMAN is up to the task. The single lever allows you to quickly adjust the deck height, and wing blades are designed to improve the mower's performance. A versatile 3-in-1 design means it can discharge the traditional way, but you also have the option to bag or mulch. After the job is complete, simply fold the handle over for compact storage. Take pride in your yard by keeping it in great shape with the 13-amp 20-inch electric mower from CRAFTSMAN.
Introducing the Ego 21-inch Select Cut Lawnmower, featuring touch drive, self-propelled technology. Engineered to outperform, it features 2 major innovations. The Select Cut multi-blade cutting system is equipped with 2 interchangeable lower blades, the Edge Premium Mulching Blade and the Edge Tri-Cut Blade. The Premium Mulching Blade is ideal for weekly mowing and gives you the cut quality and runtime you expect from a high-end lawnmower. The Tri-Cut Blade is a heavy-duty blade that turns grass into fine fragments, ideal for both mulching and bagging. Both the mulching and Tri-Cut blades come with the lawnmower and can be easily swapped out depending on the cut desired. The Ego Edge upper blade is fixed in place and works with the lower blade selected to slice the grass the lower blade sucks up and greatly enhance cutting performance. Ego's self-propelled touch drive technology is the result of years of research and development. Touch drive technology puts complete control of the self-propelled system in the palm of your hand, using your pressure to engage the system. Controlling the speed is just as easy with a variable speed dial positioned at your fingertips for safe and convenient operation. Ego harnesses the power of the industry's most advanced 56-volt 7.5 amp-hour arc lithium battery by delivering up to 60 minutes of cutting time on a single charge. Ego's durable construction is second to none, featuring heavy-duty aluminum handles, a double-wall composite deck, and even ball-bearing wheels. Easily adjust your deck height with a single lever from 1.5 to 4.5 inches with 7 separate increments. Bright LED headlights allow you to mow at dawn or dusk. And when the work is done, easily fold the mower flat for compact storage. The Ego 21-inch Select Cut multi-blade lawnmower featuring touch drive technology. The latest innovation from the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power equipment.
The Snapper XD battery-powered walk mower combines a Briggs & Stratton 82-volt battery with a high-efficiency brushless motor to reach an exciting new level of durability and performance. Up to 45 minutes of quiet, low-maintenance runtime. With its 21-inch heavy-duty steel mowing deck, you can mow like a pro. Plus, smart load sensing continuously adjusts power to match cutting conditions for extended runtime. Cutting height adjusts with a single lever, and it can be stowed vertically for compact storage. The Snapper XD battery-powered walk mower is one more innovative product from a complete line of durable Snapper handheld tools. And all are powered by interchangeable 82-volt Briggs & Stratton 2 or 4 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, allowing you to power all Snapper XD tools with just one battery, which quickly recharges, so you can mow, trim, saw, clip, and blow through your yard work like never before. The Snapper XD 82-volt lawn and garden system. One battery, multiple tools, powered by Briggs & Stratton.